Hello everyone, welcome to our speaking test. Now let's begin. What's your name?
I'm good.
What's your name?
I'm King Khôi.
Khôi. How old are you?
I'm good.
How old are you?
I'm 4.
How are you today?
I'm good.
That's right. What animal is it?
Dog.
Yellow dog.
Dog.
What animal is it?
Rabbit.
White.
White rabbit.
What animal is it?
Black cat.
What animal is it?
Green bird.
And what animal is it?
Owen fox.
What animal is it?
White ostrich.
Brown ostrich.
Ostrich.
What animal is it?
Octopus.
Purple.
Octopus.
Purple octopus. What animal is it?
Monkey.
The monkey. Very good. Okay, that is the end of our speaking test. Bye bye.